Good evening. My name is Ram Krishna. I'm the CEO of this Pranko Technologies Private Limited, and it's my honor to present the new brand that is Assertive Brain Learning. Actually, we are a country franchisee for an Indonesian brand. We brought a new technology to India, that is 2-day sensory enhancement program for children. For 5 to 15 years children, we conduct a 2-day workshop. Basically, the main aim of the workshop to increase the senses, the 5 senses. I think you might be aware of the 5 senses. One is touch sense, one is hearing sense, one is taste sense, one is sight sense. So in this workshop, we enhance the senses, and the outcome of this particular program, it will be improving the child's memory. It will also improve the concentration levels, and the intuition abilities. How it is possible? I think you might be worried. It is possible. There are certain binaural musics, which is a patented Japanese patented music. We play this music and take the child to the alpha state of mind. And during the alpha state of mind, which is a powerful state of mind, and in this particular state of mind, whatever the positive affirmations we give to the child, it will reach the subconscious mind. I think you must be aware that the subconscious mind is a very powerful state of mind. Whatever the things the child is inculcated in the subconscious mind, it works wonders. So one of the wonder of this outcome of the program, after the 2-day workshop, the children whose sight sense is predominant, those particular children, they can do acts blindfolded. Yes, you have heard it properly. They can do acts blindfolded, because the sight sense, what we do, the brain gym exercise and all, it activates the neurons. There are many inactive neurons in the brain. This particular brain gym exercise will help the child to activate the inactive neurons, and the neural pathway is formed. And the child will, all the children in our batch, they perform blindfold, means they identify things blindfolded. Means they put a blindfolded band, they identify the colors, they identify the bold letters. Some children also read the newspaper also. Actually, in a day-to-day, this might not be useful, but there is a point to prove that by doing some scientific things, a brain development is possible, the sensory enhancement is possible. This is one particular thing which we have launched with the vertical Assertive Brains Learning. So I request all the children to take the advantage of this scientifically developed technology. This is one particular thing which we are doing, and we have another line of product where we call as a DCAP, that is Derma Ridges Comprehensive Analysis Program. We capture all the fingertips through a biometric scanner, and this particular biometric scanner, we generate a brain mapping report. This particular report will help the children to identify the inborn talents of the children, and it also helps to identify the type of personality the child possesses. And the outcome of the report, our counselor will counsel the parents in which future guidance, the suitable guidance the child can become. And there are many more theories in this particular thing. I have just briefed that it will identify the inborn talents, and it is useful for the future scientific method to identify the future career prospects. So these are the basic 2 products. I hope you all take the advantage of these scientifically advanced products, and we also offer this. We want to spread across India by giving straight franchisees, master franchisees, and single unit franchisees, wherein we will be present in all the parts of India, and we also administer the programs in all major schools. We are tying up with the schools. You can take the technology advantage products to your children. All the best. Bye.